Hello friends, so this is Ilyas back again with a new tutorial of Photoshop, and in today's video I will show you how to do high-end skin softening, or you can call it frequency separation also. So let's start, and this is the picture we will work on. So first of all, unlock the layer and create a duplicate layer, and now invert this layer by Ctrl+I for Windows or Command+I for Mac, and now put it to vivid light blending mode. And now go to filter, then other, and high pass. Put it around 18 to 20 or according to your need. After it, go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, and put it around 5 to 6 or according to need. Now add a layer mask from here with Alter, and take a soft brush, make sure the foreground color is white, and start painting like this. And now you can see the results. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.